Rukwaya Bash is going to give a vote of thanks, and as it is the tradition for conferences, we would like to have a conference group photo. I know there are the Prime Minister, there's the Minister here, you may have other schedules if you are not able to stick around. If you can, we'd like to have you. Okay, and obviously, we'd like to have like the professor, okay, being part of that group photo if at all possible. So we start with Rukwaya, okay, we'll have the group photo, and then that will be the closing of the event for the evening. Thank you.
A pleasant good afternoon to all. Thank you for this opportunity to extend our gratitude on behalf of the IEEE. Dr. the Honorable Keith Rowley, Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, I would like to thank you sincerely for joining us today as we honor Professor Julian for his significant contributions to our nation on this occasion of his 86th birthday. Senator, the Honorable Minister of Energy and Energy Industries, Dr. Franklin Cahn, we thank you for that reminder of the history of the energy sector and the insights you shared into where we've reached today. I'd like to take the opportunity to acknowledge our sponsors, our platinum sponsors, the Proman Group, Methanol Holdings Trinidad and Tobago. Special thanks to Mr. Wendell Motley and Dr. Uric Bob. Our gold sponsors, Proman Group, Caribbean Nitrogen Company. Special thanks to Klaus Kronberger and Charles Whiting from the Proman Group. The NGC group of companies, especially Professor Andrew Jupiter, Mr. Mark Loquan, Hazy Crawford, and Ariane Charles, who is quite passionate as she assisted us with this event. Our silver sponsors, First Citizens Bank, who is actually our first sponsor. Special thanks to Mr. Basie. Metonex, we'd like to thank Mr. Mario Singh, the Ministry of Energy and the Energy Industries, BP Trinidad and Tobago, Giselle Thompson, Nutrien, special thanks to Mr. Ian Welch, our table sponsors, Shell, Atlantic LNG Company of Trinidad and Tobago, and Point Lisa's Nitrogen Limited. And our partners, Plebdeco and Nehus. Nehus has actually been one of our long-standing partners through the years, and we've hosted several technical workshops and camps. Lastly, the Guardian Group, Miss Bucco Claxton, and they're our first contributors to the Professor Kenneth S. Julian Endowment Fund, so we thank them for that. The details of this fund will be revealed at the upcoming Energy Conference in February, so you could look out for that. Special thanks to Mr. Thackway Driver for his assistance with the Endowment Fund. To our cast of speakers both yesterday and today, we thank you for all your contributions. Today's recap of the history and growth of the energy sector and the influence of Professor Kenneth Julian has no doubt laid the foundation and the groundwork for our generation of upcoming engineers to build upon and to continue Prof's legacy. We'd like to thank graciously the family of Professor Kenneth Julian, particularly Philip Julian, who assisted us as we planned this event to honor Professor Julian. And to our guest of honor, Professor Julian. As a recent graduate of the University of the West Indies from the engineering faculty, although you haven't personally taught any of us, your influence was felt in the course of our programs. I know the facilities that we were able to access and the quality of education that we received. So we thank you for that. You really have influenced many great minds, and their legacies continue to live on. To all the members of the local conference committee, I'd like to thank each of you for your hard work and dedication over the past year to pull this event off. This would not have been possible without any of you. And lastly, to all of you captains of industries and other specially invited guests, thank you for attending and supporting the event as we honor Prof. Thank you again.